Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak Up Academy. Today we're sharing daily English conversations you can use every day. These are simple and practical sentences to help you improve your English speaking skills. Remember, listen daily to build your confidence and fluency step by step. We upload videos every weekend, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated. So happy to have you with us. Let's get started.
I'm home. I'm home.
I'm home.
I'm home. Just leave it. Just leave it.
Just leave it.
Just leave it. After you. After you.
After you.
After you. Who knows? Who knows?
Who knows?
Who knows? I'm lost. I'm lost.
I'm lost.
I'm lost. Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Do me a favor.
Do me a favor. It depends. It depends.
It depends.
It depends. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand. I'm on your side. I'm on your side.
I'm on your side.
I'm on your side. I made it. I made it.
I made it.
I made it. I'm his fan. I'm his fan.
I'm his fan.
I'm his fan. Help yourself. Help yourself.
Help yourself.
Help yourself. I'm on a diet. I'm on a diet.
I'm on a diet.
I'm on a diet. Try again. Try again.
Try again.
Try again. No problem. No problem.
No problem.
No problem. Calm down. Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down. Take care. Take care.
Take care.
Take care. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Be quiet. Anything else? Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else? I doubt it. I doubt it.
I doubt it.
I doubt it. What about you? What about you?
What about you?
What about you? Me too. Me too.
Me too.
Me too. Any day will do. Any day will do.
Any day will do.
Any day will do. Count on me. Count on me.
Count on me.
Count on me. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck. Why not? Why not?
Why not?
Why not? Of course. Of course.
Of course.
Of course. Have fun. Have fun.
Have fun.
Have fun. My treat. My treat.
My treat.
My treat. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Watch out. Watch out.
Watch out.
Watch out. Guess what? Guess what?
Guess what?
Guess what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. I agree. I agree.
I agree.
I agree. Speed up. Speed up.
Speed up.
Speed up. Time's up. Time's up.
Time's up.
Time's up. That's all. That's all.
That's all.
That's all. Let me go. Let me go.
Let me go.
Let me go. Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. It's up to you. It's up to you.
It's up to you.
It's up to you. Forget it. Forget it.
Forget it.
Forget it. I have no choice. I have no choice.
I have no choice.
I have no choice. Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. You did right. You did right.
You did right.
You did right. Stay still. Stay still.
Stay still.
Stay still. No way. No way.
No way.
No way. What a pity. What a pity.
What a pity.
What a pity. It's all right. It's all right.
It's all right.
It's all right. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.
I didn't mean it.
I didn't mean it. Let me fix it. Let me fix it.
Let me fix it.
Let me fix it. Do I have to? Do I have to?
Do I have to?
Do I have to? Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
Are you kidding?
Are you kidding? Slow down. Slow down.
Slow down.
Slow down. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Keep it up.
Keep it up. It's a good idea. It's a good idea.
It's a good idea.
It's a good idea. This way. This way.
This way.
This way. I'll try my best. I'll try my best.
I'll try my best.
I'll try my best. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Don't let me down.
Don't let me down. Follow me. Follow me.
Follow me.
Follow me. I have no idea. I have no idea.
I have no idea.
I have no idea. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Well done. Well done.
Well done.
Well done. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Take it easy. Feel better? Feel better?
Feel better?
Feel better? Let me see. Let me see.
Let me see.
Let me see. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Is this yours? Is this yours?
Is this yours?
Is this yours? I promise. I promise.
I promise.
I promise. So far, so good. So far, so good.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Shut up. Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. Sounds great. Sounds great.
Sounds great.
Sounds great. Be careful. Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful. Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Keep in touch. Keep in touch.
Keep in touch.
Keep in touch. As soon as possible. As soon as possible.
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video fun and interesting. If you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Wishing you all an amazing day. Take care and see you next time.